you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Globein box for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the June 2024 Globein box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys haven't seen my other unboxings, Globein has so many amazing products. They get them from remote artisans from around the world. They get to bring you their products here to, wherever you are, to your own door. And they just have the best things, from home decor to outdoors to anything in between. And I absolutely love that they have so many different variety of products. And when you choose your box, you get to build your own box. So I will be showing you when we go through them, like all of the different ones that you can select from. But that is a great thing about Globein, is because you build it to what you would like. And if there's products that you're just like, I'm just not really seeing, you can use them for gift ideas, or you can just skip the box and you can use those points to shop their shop or for another box for add-ons, so you don't ever lose it. But you can say, you know what, I don't really want this one. You can pause it and keep those credits for an additional month or whatever. So I think that's great. Let's go ahead and dive in. I can't remember now because I just did my July products. So I can't really remember what I chose, but that's a great thing. There's so many different things. There's going to be something for everyone, I would assume. They do package everything super well. I've never received anything damaged or anything like that. And when we open up the box, the products that I chose are down inside. Okay, so here is a card. I believe this would be my packing slip. Yes, my packing slip is in here that shows the 3 different pieces. Now I'm remembering the 3 different pieces that I chose. And what I think is super unique, you always get a postcard, and it's a handwritten letter, and it's always in 2 different languages. So here is the one for this time, and the front looks like that. I just think the attention to detail, that's just super neat. And then you get a card with each product that even gives you more information about them. So I just love it. Okay, so down inside of the box, I am super excited about these. But here's the card that I was telling you. You have this little thing that goes over more information about each item. Again, I just think that's really neat. And it says each piece is blown glass is unique, the bit of the heart of the artisan who crafted it. Okay, so these, I believe these are, it says cocktail glasses. I thought that would be cool for margaritas or anything like that. Plus, this matches. I have this same colorful design. I have it in a big pitcher with a small pitcher. I have them in shot glasses, wine glasses, stemless wine glasses, regular drinking glasses. I love this print, and I love that they have so many different products that you can purchase. So you can have a matching set, or in time you can get a matching set, but they have so many different prints. But this is the one that I already have, so I thought that was so unique that I can get a set to match. So I'm super excited about these 2 glasses right here. And I think I screenshotted, and I can tell you what the pricing would be on this. Yes, these are the 2 colorful cocktail glasses, hand blown from recycled glass, and they are a regular price of $42 for the set. So I'm so excited about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna start showing you all of the different products that you can choose for option number 2. And I'm not sure which one this would be. I think this might be my option number 2. So let me open, let's open this and find out. Again, they always protect everything so well. Okay, so the card for this one, and this is what I chose. It is a hummingbird. I just thought that would be so cool to hang in my patio or in my garden area. I could even hang it inside my house if I wanted to, but I just thought this was super cute. I loved the blue, and I thought, you know what? that looks like what I would love to have. So it says the artistry of Jay Blass has been featured in Family Magazine and Kentucky Monthly. Every piece crafted at my workshop goes hand in hand with ordinary design and quality. This is the delightful blue hummingbird, and this has a value of $33. But that is just so pretty. Isn't it nice and large? Though it is a really good size. It's a really good size. I see you. But I really like that. It looks like there's like some kind of like plaster or something on it. There's like, it's raised, if you can actually see that. It has like texture to it. It's super pretty. So I cannot wait to hang this up. So that is my option number 2. So then all of the different choices you can pick will be right here on the side for the third option. And that's what will be in here. Again, you will have your card, and then they are connected right here. This is the 2-piece handcrafted marble heart stress relieving stones. And it comes with a set of 2. And that is what I chose. These are the ones that you can like sit there and rub if you wanted to. I just thought of all the different options. When I saw a crystal, I was like, yes, please and thank you. If you guys follow me, you know I love crystals. I collect them. So this was a no-brainer to me. They're super beautiful with like the different colors inside of each one. And I like there's 2 different crystals here. So this one is, these are from Mexico. Same with this one here too. I believe was from, yes, from Mexico. They crafted 2 rectangular stones from natural marble. Oh, so it's marble or onyx. It's not a crystal. And it says it will help you to relieve stress and anxiety as you rub their cool, smooth surfaces. So not crystal, sorry, I apologize. It is marble or onyx, still same thing. You rub them, and I think that is really cute. So I got this 2-piece set valued for $16. And then after, you can go through and see all of the different options if you wanted to add to your box at a discounted rate, or you can stop right there, do your 3 options and move forward and pay nothing more in addition. But if you want to pay for something else in addition that's at a discounted rate, you can always add to your box with any of those options that you have. So that is everything that I chose for the June box. Okay, you guys. So what did you think of the options that I chose? Again, I'm so excited to add this to my collection because it's going to match. I love that. The hummingbird is super cute, and I love the little texture to it. And then the 2 stones, little worry stones, I love that. I can keep one and gift one, keep them both, or gift them both. I can do whatever. I got 2 of them. So I am loving all of these selections. Ooh, I am definitely loving all of these selections. If you want to check them out, they will all be linked down below. You can go check them out. But if you would like some more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do actually have my own code. If you do not want to go straight to the subscription, you can use my code SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off their artisan shop. You can shop their online shop any day of the week, anytime you would like, for gifts, for yourself, for whichever. And if you're an active member, active members always get 20% off. That's a perk of being a member. But if you don't want to become a member just yet and you want to buy some of their individual items, use SheCrafty. That will save you the 20% off. But if you want to jump to an active subscription, you can see what deals they have. Sometimes they have like a deal when you first sign up that you can get something in addition, or like a bonus box, something like that. So definitely, if you want to follow the link below, see what specials they have. But the normal monthly box, if you do a 3-month subscription, that's the lowest they do. They do not do a 1-month term. It's a 3-month is the lowest, and that would be $40 per box. If you want to go to a 6 months, that will save you going down to $37 per box, and a full 12-month subscription will bring this down to only $35 per box. The box builder will give you the opportunity to select 3 artisan crafted items from over 30 of Globein's most popular products. This will allow you to build a custom box curated of the exact items you want. Every month, we curate hundreds of products that you can select from and make it 100% yours for up to 65% off retail. If you don't love this month's choices, you can use the credits in the artisan shop or save them for next month's. That's what I was explaining to you earlier. And then you can shop anytime. Again, if you are a member, you can get the 20% off everything in their shop anytime you would like. And their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. The box builder, just so you do know, it does open up at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 1st through the 15th of every month. Maven members can go the 2nd through the 15th to select their choices. So on the 1st or the 2nd, depending on what type of member you are, you can go up until the 15th, see all of the different options and choose what you like. It's always first come, first serve. So always try to get there, as soon as you can so you can select the best options. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, they will all be linked down below. You can follow them and check them out. If you would like to see other codes, learn about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. And that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.